Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. Before starting the video, I will request everyone to subscribe this channel for getting more videos on MCQ from civil engineering subjects. So this is the second class on concrete technology. Question number 1. An aggregate is said to be flaky if its least dimension is less than option A 1/5 of mean dimension, option B 2/5 of mean dimension, option C 3/5 of mean dimension, and option D 4/5 of mean dimension. So where the correct answer is option C 3/5 of mean dimension. An aggregate is said to be flaky if its least dimension is less than 3/5 of mean dimension. Next question is very oftenly asked in interview session. So let's go through the question. While compacting the concrete by a mechanical vibrator, the slump should not exceed option A 2.5 cm, option B 5 cm, option C 7.5 cm, and option D 10 cm. Here the correct answer is option B 5 cm. While compacting the concrete by a mechanical vibrator, the slump should not exceed 5 cm. Next question is very simple and basic question of civil engineering. Curing, option A, reduces the shrinkage of concrete, option B, preserves the properties of concrete, option C, prevents the loss of water by evaporation, and option D, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So curing reduces shrinkage, preserves the properties of concrete, and prevents the loss of water by evaporation. So all of the above is the correct answer. Next question, the bulk density of aggregates does not depend upon option A size and shape of aggregates, option B specific gravity of aggregates, option C grading of aggregates, and option D size and shape of the container. Here the correct answer is option D, size and shape of the container. And the last question, after casting an ordinary cement concrete on drying, option A expands, option B mix, option C shrinks, and option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option C, shrinks. After casting an ordinary cement concrete on drying, shrinks.